Welcome to List View within Salesforce. In this video, we'll dive deep into the create and customize list views. Let's set the stage by highlighting our key learning objectives for this session. Create and customize list view and list view charts. To create a new one, find the Create New View button and click on it to initiate the process. A new window will pop up, prompting you to provide details for your new list view. Start by giving your list view a name. Next, provide an API name. Salesforce will automatically generate one for you. Now let's configure who can see this list view. Congratulations! You've just created a custom list view in Salesforce. First things first, we want to narrow down our list to show only the opportunities with an amount greater than $50,000. To do this, let's click on Add Filter. Now in the filter criteria, we'll set the condition for the amount field to be greater than $50,000. Once that's done, click Save to apply the filter. Clicking Save will update our list view to display only the opportunities that meet our criteria. With the filter applied, our list view is now focused on the high-value opportunities. But what if we want to customize the columns we see in this view? That's where managing columns comes into play. To manage columns, click on Settings and then select Fields to display. Here, you have the flexibility to choose the columns that matter most to you. Pick the fields you want to see in your list view. And just like that, you've customized your list view to show the information that's most relevant to your needs. Once you've created your list view, let's explore the exciting world of chart options. Salesforce provides a variety of visualization tools to help you understand your data better. To access the chart options, navigate to the chart icon on the top right of your screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various chart types. Here you can select the chart that best suits your data visualization needs. Let's go ahead and click on the chart options. You'll see a preview of each chart type. Click on the one that aligns with how you prefer to visualize your data. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to explore this topic further, please feel free to reach out. Have a fantastic day.